A Lakehead University professor is helping uncover new clues about one of our ancient relatives. Matt Teshurzy is part of an international research team which discovered Paranthropus boisei had the dexterity to use tools. The species was previously only known for its powerful jaws and massive teeth, until fossils of its hands were discovered. Jessica Clement has the details.
It's been a debated topic for decades, but researchers can now confirm Paranthropus boisei, an ancient human relative from the early Pleistocene of East Africa, could make and use stone tools. This comes after the very first hand and foot bones associated with the species was discovered in northern Kenya.
And it's clear that they walked on two legs just like us, and they had a hand broadly similar to ours, and share certain features with us that indicate that they almost certainly did make and use tools in a similar way. However, they also have very robust hands, more gorilla-like. And so there's also interesting ideas about how they probably used their hands for climbing as well as for processing vegetation, essentially for eating.
LU anthropology professor and study co-author Matt Teshurzy is an expert on the evolution of the human hand. He says it was a remarkable discovery due to how rare it is to find complete hand bones together.
You have to remember there's 27 bones in each of our hands, so that's more than 25% of all the bones in our body come from the hand. It's very rare to find a lot of those bones together from a specimen in the past. Sometimes we might just have a bone from the middle finger or the bone from the pinky and not all of it, but in this case they had almost 19 out of the 27 bones.
The bones will undergo more studies, and research teams will continue to search the area. Teshurzy adds that discoveries like this expands our understanding of what it means to be human.
There were many different ways of being human in the past. Not all of them involved having a large brain. Not all of them involved having exactly modern human-like anatomy, but they still shared many of the characteristics that we consider human. They would have walked around on two legs. They were, even though their brains were smaller, they were probably still some of the most intelligent animals on the planet. And they made and used tools just in ways that were different than how we might do it.
Jessica Clement, TBT News.